Okay, welcome back. What we want to do is to look at unit 318. Now this is the final unit in regards to 2357 Sitting Gills electrical installation unit. Okay. And as you can see, again, you can do this reading for yourself. You don't need me to be doing any reading here for you. Okay. Now this one is to do with diagnosing and correcting electrical faults in electrical systems and equipment in buildings, structures, etc. Okay. Outcome 1, okay, it's quite clear. Tells you what it expects of you. Now you've done a lot of this work already, so Unit 318 is now basically putting together what you have gathered previously from 311, 312, 313, 315, 316, 317, and that brings the compilation in 318. Okay. Now again, you can read a lot of this for yourselves. You do not need me to be reading this out to you. Okay? Because if you could not read, you will not be training to be an electrician. Okay. This is the final unit now in the 2357. Let me just go back a little bit because I went a little bit fast there. Okay. So bear with me. Okay. And we come to the ranges. Now when it says range, it's basically telling you what it expects you to have looked at and to have worked on. Okay, so relevant people, colleagues, etc., faults, loss of power, overload, etc. Now remember, you have done some of this as well in your calculations in regards to unit 309. Okay, so some of that work needs to be shown as the calculations to bring that to work into your folder as part of your work. Okay. Now again, all this you can read for yourself. A lot of this you have done already. You have worked on it. Bring in your diagrams to illustrate what you've done. I will be putting some wiring diagrams as part of a separate video on my channel, so please do keep an eye open for those. Thank you. Okay. Now again here we come into outcome 3. Okay. Okay. Now, I haven't done much talking because most of this now is at the end. So you're now familiar with the practice and commissioning and signing off role that you now need to play. So all I've done here is to show you the sign off documents you should have. Okay, and that will be it for me in regards to this unit. Okay, good. Alright, have a good day. Okay.